goes. You missed. He's a welder.
What's that vlog?
What?
What is that vlog?
Yeah, right there, the aluminum oxide.
Okay.
You hear that call about the high temp switches? They only had 7 on their shelf.
Okay. Is that all the aluminum? Wow.
20 was showing in C-cars. They only had 7.
And then the steel stays down there.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Dave's looking in to see how
It's part of the, if I recall right, part of the chemical reaction that happens is the aluminum pulls the oxygen from the iron oxide that's part of the mix. So as part of that reaction, that's what's happening. That's why they end up with aluminum oxide at the other end, and all the oxygen's pulled away from the iron. So, and the reaction is really exothermic, so that's why it gets super damn hot. So there was a big University of Nottingham has a YouTube page where they do just different elements. They got pretty in depth about thermite one 3 or 4 years ago.
Okay.
So it's always been this has always been kind of a thing for me. I've always wanted to see them done up close and personal.
Well, now we did.
Yep. All right.